This is going to be a multiple part series, so stay tuned to our YouTube channel.
And don't forget to subscribe.
Don't forget to subscribe.
No, different truck.
The biggest comments we're getting on social media is that we rebuild trucks, and today we just got a 2019 Cummins in, and we're going to show you what we're going to do to this truck. So let's go out to the shop and check it out. To the back. This is where it's damaged. This 2019 Cummins just arrived today. We just got it into the shop. We just purchased this truck from Impact Auction. Definitely does have some damages on it. The damages up front here actually came from the tow truck driver that delivered it. But as you can see in the back, there definitely is more damage than just that. Today we're going to be disassembling the complete truck, figuring out what's wrong with it, and we're going to follow this truck through the whole process here and show you guys what it takes to rebuild it. Okay, so the guys have been tearing into the truck here all morning. We found out a few things. One of the most crucial aspects of it is the frame is bent. As you can see on the back, this is where most of the damage actually happened on the truck. But the rear diff is split in two. We got that piece off of the truck. It did hurt, obviously. This whole box side went into the cab a bit, the rocker, the cab corner. But once we figured out the frame is actually damaged, what we're going to do is we're just going to replace the whole frame. This truck's only got 60,000 K, so it's going to be a lot easier to just replace the whole thing. Inside the truck, as you can see, the airbags are deployed. This door has a slight bit of damage right here by the handle. Looks pretty good. Up front here, the headlight and a few pieces on the grill had a little bit of damage on it. Front bumper's got a bit of a scuff, but other than that, the complete driver's side is totally fine on the truck. Moving forward, we got to get the cab off of the frame, the box off, unbolt everything, get it down to the bare frame, take it out, and get the new frame in and start putting the truck back together. Don't forget to, oh man. Okay. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel because this is going to be a
Don't forget.
Yeah, I know. Fuck. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Holy fuck, boy. Okay. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel because this is going to be a multi-episode. I don't fucking know. Fuck, man.